If you are interested in knowing how to make Swirl soap with just 4 ingredients, this video is for you. Stick around till the end. Soap making is an ancient craft that combines science and art to create functional and beautiful products. One of the most captivating techniques in soap making is the swirl method, which creates intricate patterns and designs within the soap. This guide will walk you through the process of making swirl soap using just 4 basic ingredients: water, caustic soda or sodium hydroxide, oil, and color. Each of these ingredients display a crucial role in the soap making process, and understanding their properties and interactions will help you create stunning and effective soaps. Water is used to dissolve the caustic soda and help mix the lye solution with oil. Caustic soda or sodium hydroxide is a key ingredient in soap making that reacts with oils to create soap through a process called saponification. Oil, the base of your soap. Different oils contribute different properties to the final soap, such as hardness, lather, and moisturizing qualities. Color, used to create the swirls, natural or synthetic colorants. Colorant can be used depending on your preference. Safety precautions. Before you begin, it's important to embrace the need for safety. Caustic soda or lye is highly corrosive and can cause serious burns if it comes into contact with the skin. Always wear gloves, goggles, and long sleeves to protect yourself. Work in a well-ventilated area, as the fumes from mixing lye with water can be harmful. Keep a bottle of vinegar nearby to neutralize any accidental lye spills. Accuracy is the key in soap making. Use a digital scale to measure your ingredients precisely. Slowly add the caustic soda to the water, or never the other way round. While stirring gently, the mixture will heat up and release fumes. So do this in a well-ventilated area. Let the lye solution cool to around 38 degrees centigrade. While the lye solution is cooling, heat your oils to the same temperature, around 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius. You can use a microwave or a double boiler. Once both the lye solution and the oil are at the same desired temperature, slowly pour the lye solution into the oils while stirring continuously. Use a stick blender to mix until the mixture reaches trace. And you can also use your spatula or a turning stick if you don't have stick blender. Swirl designs in soap can range from simple to complex. The key to achieving beautiful swirls lies in the consistency of your soap batter and the techniques you use to produce the colors. Here, I will explore a few popular swirling techniques. After reaching trace, divide the soap batter into different containers depending on how many colors you want to use. For this example, I'll be using 3 colors. Let's add our chosen colorants to each container and mix well. Colors like blue, yellow, and purple. Pour each color batter back into the main pot. Carefully pour the mixed batter into your soap mold. The colors will naturally swirl as they pour. For added effect, you can use a chopstick or a spatula to gently swirl the batter in the mold to maintain distinct colors.
If this is the first time you're coming across my video, my name is Chibikem. I'm a soaper and a content creator. Do me well by subscribing to my channel and give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. Thank you. Insulate the mold and let it cure. This after 6 hours, we are about to mold our soap. You can see the different colors. Note that you can make any type of swirl soap that you like. You can choose to stir it together slowly so that the color will rhyme and make a different type of shape, but I just leave it like this because this is how I want it. You can see our soap, so keep it for 4 weeks for it to dry properly.